Most of us notice that we work hard to prepare a speech, presentation, and in the preparation of the exam. But when that moment comes in which we have to give a speech or exam, we forget everything. When do we forget everything? After so much hard work. This is due to our weak memory. Now the question arises how to improve memory. In this video, I will tell you the 7 habits that make our brain slow and weak due to which our memory and focus level decreases so that you can improve your memory by avoiding these habits. Before starting, you should know what memory is. Memory is the ability of your mind to store, encode, and retrieve the information that gets from 5 senses: skin, eye, ear, nose, and tongue. 7 habits that make our brain weak. There are many exercises to improve our memory, but all these exercises are useless if we don't avoid these habits. Because if we don't quit these habits, then our brain exercises are useless and they would not make our brain sharp and strong. It is similar to that we want to lose our weight, but we cannot stop eating fast food. Then all our efforts to lose weight are useless until we stop eating fast food. Number 1. Sitting too much. In everyday life, we spend our maximum time sitting in front of the TV and using social media. But did you know how sitting for a long time affects our physical and mental health? This habit causes many diseases in our body. When we sit at one place for a long time, then oxygen level in our body and blood supply to the brain decreases. So our brain does not get the required amount of blood and oxygen. As a result, our concentration level decreases and we cannot focus on our work. Now you get how sitting for a long time affects our brain. This habit makes us lazy and we don't complete any of our work on time because we keep on procrastination. If you work in such a field where you do all of your work by sitting, then you should take a break of at least 10 minutes after a regular interval. In these 10 minutes, you can go to the outside for a walk, canteen, washroom, or anywhere you want to go. Number 2. Dehydration. Dehydration is a condition in which our body loses a significant amount of water. In simple words, dehydration means lack of water from our body. And we know that water is the most important element of Earth as well as our body. 60% of the human's body contains water. Even human brain composed of 73% of water. But the loss of water from our body in a large amount causes many diseases. Dehydration not only affects our body, but dehydration also causes shrinkage of our brain tissues. In 2014, in a study by Japanese research, they found a new mental effect of dehydration. They noticed that dehydration surprisingly increased our brain sensitivity. So you should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Number 3. Not facing the sun. Do you know the sun is the largest source of heat and energy? But you definitely don't know the sun is also the natural source of vitamin D. When we go in the sunlight, then vitamin D is produced in our body. Vitamin D is a very important component of our body. Lack of vitamin D can cause diseases like osteoporosis and rickets. Besides this, sunlight also boosts your mood. Researchers show that the person who works at daytime and faces the sun is happier than the person who works at night and not faces the sun for a long time. Because when you go in the sunlight, a substance called nitric oxide is released into our blood. This compound brings blood pressure down and improves heart health. As a result, we feel happy. So you should take sun bath for at least 15 minutes a day. But remember that sitting in sunlight for a long time may burn your skin. Therefore, don't forget the use of sunscreen. Number 4. Covering the face during sleep. I know you are thinking that how covering the face affects your brain. But did you know when we cover our face while sleeping, the amount of oxygen decreases in air and carbon dioxide increases because air does not pass through the blanket, due to which we breathe in such air in which the amount of carbon dioxide is high and the amount of carbon dioxide in our blood also increases. As a result, our brain tissues are damaged. If these brain brain tissues damaged in a large amount, it will also cause a serious diseases like Alzheimer, and it also decreases our memory and focus level, due to which we cannot concentrate on our family and task. So make sure that you don't cover your face with anything when you are sleeping, because it affects your brain a lot. And remember that your brain is the most important part of your body. Number 5. Lack of sleep. All of us know taking rest is very important after a workout, because when we are doing exercise, our muscle tissues break, and when we take rest after doing a workout, new muscle tissues are generated. As after exercise, rest is very important for our body. Similar, sleep is very important for our brain after the whole day's work. When we sleep, our brain makes new neural pathways which are very important for us. If a person does not take a proper sleep after the whole day's work, he will face huge consequences such as depression and Alzheimer. Alzheimer is a mental disease that slowly destroys memory and thinking skills and the ability to carry out the simplest tasks. Work is important for all of us, but doing work all the time and avoiding sleep is very bad habit, and it affects our brain a lot. Elon Musk in his interview reveals that if he did not take 6 hours of sleep properly, he feels less productive. Number 6. Loud noise. Noise pollution is very common in our large cities. The noise of the heavy machinery at concentration sites and the noise of the vehicles is the main cause of noise pollution. This loud noise affects our brain very badly. This noise damages our brain tissues. Due to this, we should avoid loud noise. Besides this noise pollution, most of us use earbuds all day to listen to music and other things. It is not a healthy habit, because excess use of earbuds also affects our brain. Listening to loud noise will damage our brain tissues and cause hearing loss. I am not saying that the music is bad or we should not listen to it. In fact, I am saying to listen to music at a low volume of noise, and we should avoid these places where there is a lot of noise pollution. Number 7. Poor diet. A poor diet also affects our brain. A proper diet is very important for our body as well as our brain. We should avoid such food that contains a lot of fat and sugar, because when sugar level increases in our body, then the capacity of our body to absorb other nutrients decreases. Due to this, our brain does not get the required nutrients which are important for its proper function. As a result, our brain does not perform its functions well, and we feel lazy the whole day. A poor diet slows our brain functioning. All eating a poor diet for a long time may also cause permanent brain damage. Eating oily food will also increase the amount of fat in our blood, which causes obesity and several heart diseases. So we should avoid junk food like burgers, shawarma, cold drinks, etc.